I went from having terrible entries to sniper entries as soon as I understood breaker blocks, so here's how you're going to do the same. First, you need to understand the anatomy of a breaker. First, we have A, which is internal buy-side liquidity, so it's an intermediate high. Then we form B, which is an intermediate low. And then we're waiting for liquidity grab, which is C. So once C takes out A and it's a liquidity grab, we need to wait for D. D confirms it's a breaker because it's a market structure shift into the downside after we grab liquidity. Then we can get in on E, which is a retest. It's a very, very high probable reversal pattern. When we look at this, we have London high, which is our time-based liquidity. So an intermediate high, so this would be A. We have an intermediate low, which would be B. And now we have a liquidity grab, which would be C. This is still not a breaker. However, once we have this candle right here closing below B, this officially forms the breaker. And now we want to wait for the retest, just like so, of forming E and a rejection. Relative equal lows form right here. So this is our sell side liquidity. If you want to learn more about breakers or how to frame your trades like this, comment the word checklist below and I'll send you the checklist I use.